friends, this is the activity video for the Read Aloud story Little Red Riding Hood. For today's activity, you're going to need a piece of paper, something to write with, and something to color with. Before we get started with the activity, we're going to be doing a little bit of folding with your paper. So what you want to do with your paper is turn it to the side like this, so it's the long way. Go fold it in half. Pinch, 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 pinch. Turn it again the long way, fold it in half, pinch, 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 and crease it a few times. And when you open it back up, you should have a paper with 4 boxes on it, just like this. With your pencil, marker, crayon, whatever you're using, you're going to be tracing over top of these lines today like this. I'm going to use a marker so it shows up a little better, but you can use whatever you have at home. So I'm just tracing over those crease lines that I make. And it kind of looks like I'm making a giant lowercase t on my paper. So now I have 4 different boxes. When I read the story today, I asked you to pay attention to the 4 different story elements: characters, setting, problem, and solution. Today you're going to be making a story map for the book Little Red Riding Hood using those 4 story elements. You can write your name anywhere at the top of your paper. If you do send a picture to the teachers, make sure your name is on it so we know who it's from. In the boxes, first thing that we're going to do is label the different story elements. In this first box at the top, we're going to be writing the word characters. In the next box over, we're going to be writing the word setting. In this box, we're going to be writing the word problem. And in the next box, we're going to be writing the word solution. If you need a little bit more time to copy those words on your paper, that's okay. I would pause the movie here so you can see it and get it copied. But if you're ready, you can keep watching. In each one of these boxes, you're going to be drawing a picture and writing a short sentence or labeling your picture to show the characters, the setting, the problem, and the solution. For the characters, you want to try to include the 5 main characters in the story and label them with their names. Excuse me, the 4 main characters. I added one on accident. For the setting, you have a choice of 2 different settings from this book. Pick your favorite one and then label which setting you chose. For the problem, do your best to show in the picture what the problem was in the story. You might also want to write a short sentence to say what the problem was. And for the solution, same thing. Do your best to show the solution in the story, but you can also add a little bit of a sentence if that makes sense for your paper. When you're done with this, if you'd like to send a picture of your work to the teachers, we would love to see it and give you a compliment.